Hello, you welcome back to the channel. God bless you. Today, I will be showing you this chromatic walk pattern that will enable you to master the 1-5 progression on all the keys. Okay, if you are someone who is hungry and passionate about playing on all keys, being fluent on all keys, then this exercise is for you. By the way, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe to the channel and give this lesson a thumbs up, and also comment, make a comment. All right, thank you very much. All right, so let's dive into the lesson. So what we are doing basically is playing 5-1 on all keys chromatically downward. So on the key of C, 5-1. Okay, the next key, 5, that is the key of B. The next key, 5, key of B flat, 1. The next key, 5, that's A major, 1. The next key, A flat, 1. The next key is what? G. The next key is what? F sharp, 5, 1. The next key is F, 5, 1. The next key is E major, 5, 1. All right? Okay. It's this, all right? The next key is E flat. The next key is D major, 5, 1. The next key is C sharp, 5, 1. The next key is C. So, to make it interesting, you are going to add this melody. Sol la ti re do, sol la ti re do. So you're going to play this melody on all the keys while transitioning from one key to the other. So I'll play it slowly. Sol la ti re. Next key. Next key. Next. 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 Yeah. Don't worry if you have to take a pause and to look at it. Just make sure you play the right thing. Okay. You have to achieve precision first. Precision before speed. Always remember that. So this is how you do it chromatically downward. So this will enable you to master playing the 1-5 progression on all the keys. And you could even form an intro from this, a gospel intro from this. And at the same time also you can play this chromatically upward. So I'm going to play this chromatically upward. Yeah. Then the last one. So I see it more like a warm up, like a piano warm up that will enable you to master these things. All right. Like I said, precision over speed. Then, then, then you can do this chromatically upward and downward. Then, then the last one. So this is an awesome exercise warm up for you, and this will enable you uh to master the 1/5 progression on all keys. If you are someone passionate about playing on all keys fluently, then this exercise is for you. It's pretty simple, but at the same time, it will instill discipline one into you, and it will help you achieve dexterity on the 1/5 progression. And the beautiful thing about this is that you can extend it to other progressions. You can do the 1/4 progression. Okay, let's see. Do you get? Now I'm going in circle of fourths. I'm going in the circle of fourths. Do you get that? So this exercise um, you can actually make use of it for a progression. You can make use of it for the 1/5 progression, the 1/4 progression, the two. In fact, you can. That's me doing the 1 2 1. Do you get that? This is me playing the 2 1 progression on all keys, following the same concepts. Okay. So if you've gotten something worthwhile from this lesson, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next lesson. Make sure you practice this. Okay. Make sure you keep practicing. Okay. I'm trying something. That's the pentatonic scale, right? Or let's say the major scale. All right, I'll see you in the next class. Bye. Cheers.